Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix Call of Duty Mobile not launching. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner we have your achievements, and in the bottom left corner we have your store. In the top right corner we have the settings, and in the bottom right corner we have the start, where you can go and start your game. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Call of Duty Mobile and not launching. So if Call of Duty Mobile isn't launching, try these troubleshooting steps. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many issues. Ensure both the game and your device's operating system are up to date. Go to your device settings, find Call of Duty Mobile under apps, and clear the cache. Uninstall, then reinstall the game from the App Store or Google Play Store. Of course, make sure you have a stable internet connection and ensure you have enough storage space on your device. If none of the above steps work, contact Krill customer support for further assistance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.